How do I mute messages on Instagram?
Hello there. Welcome to our easy guide on how to mute messages on Instagram. Today, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to help you control the notifications you receive from Instagram messages.
Why would I want to mute messages on Instagram?
In our digitally connected world, we often get bombarded with notifications, which can become overwhelming at times. Instagram, being one of the most popular social media platforms, contributes to this digital noise. By learning how to mute messages on Instagram, you can take control of your digital space and choose when and from whom you want to receive messages.
Where do I start?
Before we delve into the steps, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. If not, head over to your device's app store and update it. Once updated, open the Instagram app and go to your direct messages.
How do I mute a specific conversation?
To mute a specific conversation, follow these steps. 1. Select the conversation you want to mute from your message list. 2. Tap on the name at the top of the screen to open the chat details. 3. Look for the Mute Messages option and tap on it. With these easy steps, you've now muted a conversation and won't receive notifications from this chat.
How do I mute all messages?
What if you want to mute all messages and not just a single conversation? Here are the steps. 1. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. 2. Tap on the 3 lines at the top right corner. 3. Go to Settings. 4. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. 5. Tap on Direct Messages. 6. Here, you can adjust your preferences to mute message requests and group requests. Remember, this doesn't stop messages from coming in. It just stops the notifications. You can still check your messages whenever you choose to. And there you have it. Now you know how to mute messages on Instagram, giving you more control over your digital experience. Remember, it's your space. Don't be afraid to take control. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most of your digital life.